Hey, what's up guys? Back again at Jones Subwoofer Solutions. Today I have the RD Audio 1750.1 amplifier. Couldn't find any manufacturer specs on this. Have to assume that it's rated for 1750 RMS. We'll see if it does that today. It's not a very big amp for being a Korean amp, rated 1500 watts or so. Got the dual 1-aught inputs on there. It's all ready to go, so let's go ahead and see. We'll start with some certified runs here. And as always, I'll start with 1 ohm. And we're starting at 14.4 volts. And there we are. We got 1550 watts, dropped to 14.2 volts. Not bad. We'll see what it does at 2 ohms. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we get 945 watts, dropped to 14.4 volts. Not bad at all. And we'll see what it does at 4 ohms. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we see over 500 watts. We got 531 watts, dropped to 14.48 volts. And let's see if it does any different on uncertified. And we'll start again with 1 ohm. Uncertified, starting at 14.4 volts, 1 ohm run. (1,641 watts). We dropped to 14.2 volts. Not seeing the 1750 I thought we might see. 2 ohms, starting at 14.5 volts. Uncertified. We get almost 1,000 watts, 993 watts. 2 ohms, we dropped to 14.3 volts. Finally, 4 ohms uncertified. Again, starting at 14.5 volts. We got 542 watts. Into 4 ohms, we dropped to 14.4 volts. Let's go ahead and see what it does on the dynamic test. The dynamic is a burst test. And again, we'll start with 1 ohm. Starting at 14.46 volts. And we get 1,665 watts into 1 ohm, dropped to 14.28 volts. And we'll see what it does in 2 ohm mode. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we got 980 watts, dropped to 14.4 volts. And lastly, burst at 4 ohms. And we get 545 watts, very little voltage drop. That's it for the RD Audio 1750.1. Not sure if this amp is still available. Found it in my shop. I must have got it on a trade. Don't know a whole lot about it. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good one.